Next, let's add a table to our report. I'm gonna go to Add Report Item, Table, and here I can start listing the items that I wanna add. I'm gonna add the sales, I want the cost of sales, I want my selling expenses, and I want my admin expenses, and then I want my EBITDA, which is my formula. You can see that it has the formula sign here as here, and this is a line from my import templates. And also want the EBITDA margin down here. So let's format those a bit. I want my general and admin to be above here. I want to be a line here and a thicker border here, and I want this to be bold. And I would want this to be italic. Also, this should be in percentages, and I want to show it one digit after the decimal point. Let's go ahead and save this, and let's launch our report. And here we have it. So we have a summary that outlines our EBITDA calculation, and it shows our EBITDA margin at the bottom.